So, if you're trying to view your YouTube recap for 2025, but you're not sure where YouTube has placed it this year, I'm going to show you two simple ways to find it, even if it hasn't appeared on your account yet. Just keep in mind that the recap doesn't roll out to everyone at the same time. Some users get it earlier, others get it later. So don't stress if you don't see anything immediately. The first thing you can try is opening your browser on your iPhone, Android, laptop, or whatever device you're using, and typing in this link, youtube.com/recap. If YouTube has activated Recap 2025 for your account, the page will load right away, and you'll be able to see your top creators, top videos, playlists, and everything you watched throughout the year. This is the fastest way to check, so make sure to try it first. If the page doesn't load anything or looks blank, then here's the second method. Open the YouTube app on your phone and tap the U tab in the bottom right corner. Usually, YouTube will show a large banner at the top that says something like, "Your Recap 2025 is here," or "See your recap." If you see that banner, just tap on it and your recap will open instantly. If the banner isn't there yet, don't worry. That's completely normal. YouTube rolls this feature out slowly, so check back later today or sometime this week and it should appear soon. But yeah, those are the two easiest ways to access your YouTube Recap 2025. If this video helped you out, please consider dropping a like, and if you're new here, feel free to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.